Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This video is about using the Distort tool to give you half that leaf. And the way I draw leaves is hold down the control button, make a perfect ellipse, make a duplicate of it, and just bring it over holding down the control button. That's a little bit fat, but I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then you can change it from there by moving that in and make it a little thinner. Now we're going to left click, right click. And I like working in the center of the page, so I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. I'm going to draw a 2-point line. I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now for this to work, I'm going to make them all black. And I'm going to group them together so it's one group of items. Then I'm going to get the Distort tool that you would never think about using, but go right here to Twister Distortion. And then just kind of go like that, and look what happens when you turn the handle. You get a symmetrical, basically, I think it's 100% true symmetrical pattern. And you could change it, make it even more so like an S type shape. And I'm pretty sure if you flip that thing, let's just do it. Let's take the Smart Fill tool. And then let's hit the plus key and mirror it both ways. I'm pretty sure, look how close, I mean, it's really dead on. If you take that node, go right there, you get that shape. So what you could do with this shape, I mean, there's a lot you can do with it. Let's get the Smart Fill tool again. Go and fill in both sides. Take the interactive fill tool. And instead of using black, I want this one. Instead of using, looks like it's doing both of them, I'm going to put a darker green in there. Yeah, it's only doing the one. So you can put a little bit of darker green, then I always find it easier just to go and reselect it. See, this one is like that. I must have touched it first. But let's just put that darker green. So you kind of get almost a shadow effect. Whoop. I was trying to zoom in. So it almost like it has a peak. Let's add a little bit more to this one. And Corel does that to me. And nothing they're doing wrong, I'm doing something wrong. There you go. And then you could add an outline and kind of make it stand out. And the way I made that leaf, I went, well, let's rotate it, whatever think you need to be, and then Control D and mirror it. Look at that. Pretty cool effect. Using this, and I'm not perfectly centered. Well, I don't have them grouped together. Let's group this together, Control G. Let's group this together, Control G. And then grab your 4-sided cross arrows right there and put it right on the money. That's pretty symmetrical. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.